Hi, this is Amir Faheem, founder at Cynosure Leaders. Today, my topic is self esteem and its importance in personality development. Self esteem means self respect and knowing the value of your abilities and attributes which raise confidence and level in return. Let us discuss the importance of self esteem in depth. Number one, acceptance of challenges. There are so many challenges that we face almost every day. We need to face these with utmost grace and dexterity. With high self esteem, it becomes rather easy for you to accept the challenges. Number two, elevated level of confidence. Self esteem raises our confidence and make us realize our self worth, strength, and even weakness, making us more aware of ourselves. High self esteem cultivate higher level of self confidence which reflect in our walk, our conversation, and our minor body gestures. Number 3, higher levels of self esteem make us expressive. They help us express our views and our opinions about openly and clearly. Number 4, you do not fear uncertain situations. Our working is affected by changing environment around us. Dynamism and various other external factors affect our working due to our possibly changeable level of self-esteem. The external factors may be include competition from the peers, lack of rewards and praise from our seniors, and obstacles in attaining our work responsibilities to a family issue as they can fall upon us anytime during our life journey. This is self-esteem which help us internally to face and combat with all the uncertain situations discussed above. And fifth number, you become more resilient when you respond and handle with your maximum grace, figuring out the very necessary and rational solution with practical approach, you become resilient. And sixth number, you are more committed to your goals. Our life is full of long term and short term goals which require us complete them effectively and efficiently. While doing them, we may face a lot many bottlenecks and obstacles that can hamper our growth and success. With self esteem, we would be more confident and committed to face them, like a pro hunting down rational and practical solution. Thank you for watching my video. Stay blessed.